Now I would like to request our honorary consulate of Pakistan for Uganda and the Member of Parliament, Muiga District, Honorable Rukaiya Isanga Nakadama, please come and take over the mic for the next, our Chief Guest, High Commissioner of Pakistan for Kenya. Please, Madam Hajat Rukaiya Nakadama.
Your Excellency, the Ambassador of Pakistan in Nairobi, Madam Saida Satman, Your Excellency, the Ambassador of Turkey in Uganda, my brother, Your Excellency, the Deputy Head of Mission in Rome for Uganda, our Deputy Head of Mission in Tanzania, I want to say congratulations. My honorable colleague select, Honorable Sarah Netarisire, who is the returnee in Parliament, and the Honorable Jennifer Messi, you are welcome to the 11th Parliament. All invited guests, media, all the donors who have come to donate blood, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Your Excellencies, you are most welcome for this activity of donating blood that is saving life. Before any other thing, I want to convey my condolences, and I want to say that on behalf of the Pakistan Consulate in Uganda, I convey our heartfelt condolences to the people of Tanzania who have lost a hero, and we pray that may his soul rest in peace. The people who have gathered here, I want to welcome all of you again, and I thank you so much for the initiative of coming up all the time to come and donate blood. The Pakistani community have made it a routine that we have to donate blood every year. Before we celebrate our 23rd Resolution Day, we are always having this activity because we've seen that there is need of blood. When you go to our hospitals, you find that people are dying because they don't have blood. So these people have made it a routine, and I want to thank them so much for giving in. That blood that you bring here has saved many lives. So I thank you so much. I want to say that may the Almighty reward you, and of course keep you healthy so that we can continue with this activity. I want to thank Your Excellency, the Ambassador of Turkey. He has been with us always. Whenever we are here, he is here with us. He has taken off time from his busy schedule to come and give blood to the people of Uganda, and of course that is saving life. Your Excellency, I thank you so much for that. Your Excellency, Madam Saida, I want to take this opportunity to invite you. My ambassador in Nairobi is sitting in Nairobi, our ambassador for Pakistan. She's a very, very active lady. She's working so much. She has been to Uganda for the short period she has been in Nairobi. She has been to Uganda more than 3 times. So I want to thank her so much. Sometimes she would say, since Rukia is there is no need for me to go to Uganda. But she has been here. So I want to thank you so much for all the efforts that you put in to see that we are in touch and you are always with the people of Uganda on your heart. Please come and give your speech. Thank you very much, and first of all, I'd like to commend the OPDFA for the initiatives that they have taken. and welcome Excellency, Turkish Ambassador, Member of Parliament, Deputy Head of Mission to Tanzania and Rome, and then also say that, the efforts of OPTFA are like from Mombasa to Kampala and from Kampala to Tanzania. In fact, they're spread all over East Africa. And they have been going the extra mile to provide social services and also have been very fruitfully contributing to the economies of East African countries. They are well placed, well stationed, and they are running, like I should say, very commendable businesses over here. I would like to also, take the cue from the Turkish ambassador that we should actually try to collaborate with the school system that we are going to establish over here, like in Pakistan. And I think our community can also assist in that and work with the ambassador in that line. It is also one of the most noble causes, providing education to people. And similarly, like since we have so many member parliaments and women power, I should say, mainstreaming, it is really commendable to be here in your presence, and the youth is also helping us in that endeavor with the Turkish. Thank you.